My Lord, parties absent.
Yes.
Appearances.
With due respect to my Lord, MJ Oluwashola. Appearing with me is IF Ime for the claimant, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, the matter is for report of settlement.
The other party, are they online?
They are not, my Lord.
Khadijat, did you send them the Zoom details? What did you say?
Everything I send it to them. I don't send something to send to them.
I hear what you said. Registrar.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. Did you send here the Zoom details to the other party?
No.
Why?
They brought an adjournment letter.
Or they brought an adjournment letter?
Yes, that they will not be coming to court today.
Okay. Miss Oluwashola.
As God please. My Lord, the matter is for report of settlement.
Yeah.
Since the last adjourned date, the claimant expects the defendant to put a court to us as regards the roundtable meeting we discussed in court, the last date for the settlement for the legal fee and the damages. Okay, sorry, my Lord. On the last adjourned date, my Lord ordered that they should pay $8,000, of which they have done it. They have received the payment, and they confirm same too. But ever since that payment, they are yet to communicate with us on how they are going to pay our legal fee and the damages fee, as discussed in court the last adjourned date. We did not put a court to us as regards any meeting of how they are going to settle us. As
Take it easy, I'm
regards
writing, eh?
the
Take it easy, I'm writing.
sorry, my Lord.
Okay. So we have received payment of $8,000, but yet to get payment
For the
legal
legal
fee
fee and the
and
damages.
damages. Okay,
Very
good.
well, my
I got
Lord.
that. Okay.
As God please. So they have not reached out to us ever since we adjourned the matter, only for us to see an adjournment letter yesterday that they are not coming to court on the ground that maybe they have exams. The lead counsel said he has exams to write, of which he was in court the last adjourned date when today's date was taken.
Okay.
So we see it as a flaw on their side, not for we see it as a flaw on their side to frustrate us from collecting the legal fee and the damages fee. And we see it as they are trying to frustrate the matter.
Okay.
My Lord, in the light of that, from our own end, we state that settlement has broken down.
Okay.
My lord, they also saw that the court is going on leave. That's why they preferred to write an adjournment letter. I don't know with the subject to the covenants of my lord, whether my lord can still give us a date, a very short date, for us to report back in court before my lord go on vacation.
Registrar, did they suggest a date in their letter?
No, my lord. They said they leave the dates at the discretion of the court.
Okay.
As God please.
Khadija, look at the diary. Last week of July.
My lord,
Hello, my lord.
Yes.
Our last sitting for July is on 28th of July.
28th of July. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Council, is that date convenient?
Convenient, my lord.
So case adjourned to 28th day of July 2026 for report of settlement.
As God please. Most great, my lord. You are most great.
Okay.
My
Hearing
lord,
notice to be served on the defendant counsel.
as God please. That's what I want to ask you, my lord. You are most great, my lord.
All right. Khadija, you can call the next case.
Yes, my lord. NICN/LA/44/2022 between Teslim Oyegoke and another and DNJ Properties and Investments Limited. My lord, parties absent.
Just a minute. Appearances? Appearances. Registrar, remember you asked them to leave the meeting. Did you send them a message
Yes,
to
my
come
lord.
to get connected? Okay. Are they in court?
No, they are not in court, but one of the counsel was the one I asked to leave the meeting then.
He's not back. Send him a message.
Yes, my lord. Níjọ́ tí mi bá ní wá tí mo fẹ́ sit kọ́ àní mo ní exam next week. I have exam next week.
Turn off your mic. Turn off your mic.
Hello, my lord. My lord.
Yes, call the case then.
NICN/LA/44/2022 between Teslim Oyegoke and another and DNJ Properties and Investments Limited. My lord, parties absent.
Appearances?
May my lord be pleased. HF initials.
Go ahead.
HF initials Zubair. I humbly appeal for the claimants.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. I thought the
Registrar.
defense.
Yes, my lord.
Did you send hearing notice to the Zoom details to the defendant?
Yes, my lord. The reply that is in another court.
And even now, my lord, he said he would join now. Like when I chatted him up that the court had already called our case, that we were just waiting for matter to be called. He said he would join us now.
And you did not stand up to it. Hello, my lord.
Yes.
You're a witness in the case now. My lord,
Yes.
the representative from DNJ Properties is in court. And while I was calling the case, he didn't even announce his appearance, my lord. His presence, my lord.
What's his name?
Olani Yanu, my lord. I'm representing DNJ Properties and Investment Limited as a witness.
What's the surname?
Olani Yanu.
Olani Yanu.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my lord.
Okay. And where is your lawyer?
I thought I've been chatting with him. I thought he's within the premises. He responded to my chat some 2 minutes ago. I'm surprised he's yet to join the hearing via Zoom.
Okay. Go and call him and find out what is happening. And report back to the registrar quickly.
All right, my lord.
My lord.
Yes.
The counsel for Adewale, Agboke, and Polaris Bank, they are in court, my lord. If they are ready, we can take them.
Mr. Zubair.
Yes, my lord.
When last did you chat with the defendant counsel?
Even not up to 5 minutes, my lord. I sent him the link forwarded to me, even the day before yesterday. And this morning again, he said he was in another call, but he would join us as it's virtual. And he was even asking me, is it WhatsApp? And I was like, can't you see the link? It is Zoom now. So I even sent him the code as I received it. So I was surprised it's not with us.
Okay, we are going to stand down.
As
Let's
the court
attend
pleases.
to the other matters since
As the court
parties
pleases.
for the other matters are ready. Okay.
As the court pleases. Thank
Okay.
you, my lord.
The registrar will get in touch with you immediately we are done with the other matter.
Yes, my lord.
Okay then.
Grateful.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. So you can leave the meeting for now.
My lord.
I've joined.
Hello, my lord.
I can't hear you.
My lord.
Eh? Hello, ma. I just joined. I'm still in matter. I just stepped out of the.
Hello, registrar. 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 Registrar.
Hello.
Hello, registrar.
No, Lord, my Lord.
Hello? Registrar, call the case. Registrar, maybe we all leave the meeting and come back. Registrar.
Hello, my lord.
Okay, good. Can you hear me now? Go ahead. I can hear you.
The other counsel for the defendant counsel for the DNJ properties later is now on the link.
But the other Mr. Zubair has been asked to step out of the meeting.
I'll have to
What
call
do you want
him
to do
after
now?
calling the case now. I'll call him after calling this case for Polaris, my lord.
Okay, call the Adewale case then quickly. So you inform them
Yes,
to be on
ma'am.
standby.
Yes, my lord. NICN/LA/278/2024 between Mr. Adewale Agboke and Polaris Bank Limited. My lord, claimant present online. I can't see the defendant. Is the defendant online? Any representative? Okay. My lord, claimant present online, defendant not represented.
Appearances.
Respectfully, my lord, Akin Baridada for the claimant.
Respectfully,
Yes.
Olatunmiyo Kayode for the defendant. My lord, appearing with me. is O.O. Olanipekun.
O.O.
Olanipekun, my lord.
Okay, good.
My lord, the matter is set for trial. Subject
Okay.
to the comments of right to proceed. The witness has joined us online, my lord.
Okay. So, registrar, can you swear the witness in?
No, he has not started. Started at all.
Good morning, Mr. Dewale.
Good morning, ma. Can you hear me?
Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
Hello?
Hello, I am a Christian. My name is Oyeleke Onasanya. I'm a Christian.
This is Adewale Adegboke case.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Should I go out, please? Should I go out first?
Yes, go out first.
Okay, ma'am.
What is your own name? Oyeleke, you are the second matter.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Adewale Agboke is the matter that we are attending to now.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Dewale.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
Do you wish to affirm or sworn by the Holy Bible?
Yes.
Which do you prefer?
The Holy Bible.
Do you have one beside you there?
Yes, I have one here.
Yes. You repeat these words after me.
Okay.
I followed by your name, sir.
I, Adewale Agboke,
Swear in the name of Almighty God
swear in the name of Almighty God
that the evidence I shall give in this case
that the evidence I shall give in this case
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
so help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, the witness has sworn on the Holy Bible.
Okay. Claimant counsel, go ahead.
Do you remember deposing to witness statement on oath before you go to the 5th of August 2024?
Yes, I do.
On what day?
30th of August 2024, my lord.
Yes, I do.
Now,
Go ahead, counsel.
If you see that, I hope you can identify it before me. Take a look at it. I don't know if you can strain your eyes. Is this your signature? Look at the last page.
Yes, that's my signature, sir.
Okay. What do you wish to do with the evidence on oath?
I wish the court uses this as my oral testimony towards this case.
Also, Mr. Adewale Adegboke, you also deposed a further claimant statement on oath on the 20th of September 2025. Look at the last page of it on the screen. Is that your signature before
Yes,
making
sir.
public?
Yes.
What do you wish to do with the further witness on oath?
I wish the court grants this as my further witness and testimony towards this process.
Well, my lord. You have further witness.
My lord, I have seen the witness statement on note and the further witness statement on note. However, we are in receipt of the witness statement on note, but we don't have the further claimant's witness statement on note with us. Just obliged. You don't have your reply. It's not attached to your reply. You can give us the copy.
Oh, okay.
If you have a copy.
What? Mr. Adewale, you made reference to.
Have you passed a copy to her? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Mr. Adewale, refer to some documents in your witness statement on oath. I want to refer you to them. Now, for example, now, are you with your witness statement on oath with you? Do you have a copy of it with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in paragraph 3, now you refer to what is document therein?
Please, could you repeat again? I did not hear what you just said.
Paragraph 3 of the statement on oath.
Okay.
Which document is there for identification?
Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Because it is Zoom and we are working with time and hoping that the network will not knock us out. Just make it fast. Refer to paragraph 3. You mentioned the documents that we move on.
In paragraph 3, you refer to your training banking officer certificate.
Yes, sir.
What certificate?
Training school certificate.
Training certificate.
Yes. Dated October 20 to December 19, 2008.
Yes, sir.
Is this a copy of the document?
Can you go up a little? Yes, that is my.
Where is the original copy?
The original copy is missing in transit at the moment.
Okay. Now, in paragraph 4 of the witness statement on oath, we refer to an internal memo dated 6th of January 2009. Take a look at it. Is this the internal memo?
Yes, that's the internal memo deploying me to the internal inspection department.
Okay.
What date?
In paragraph,
what date?
My lord, dated January 2009.
January 06.
Yes, 2009, my lord.
Okay. And that paragraph was what paragraph?
5 of your witness on oath. My lord?
What paragraph is this internal memo?
Paragraph 4, my lord.
Okay. So on paragraph 5, go ahead.
Paragraph 5 refer to letter of promotion. Take a look at, is it letter of promotion?
Yes, sir. That's my letter of promotion from the bank.
Okay. Dated June 26, 2012, my lord. Where is the original copy of letter of promotion?
Also missing in transit, sir.
Okay. In paragraph 6 of your witness statement on oath, you refer to letter of employment dated September 21, 2018. Is that it?
Yes, sir. That's my offer for employment. Also missing in transit when I joined Polaris.
Okay. In paragraph 8 of evidence statement on oath, you also refer to a letter of promotion dated July 30, 2020. Take a look at it. Is that letter of promotion?
Yes, that should be with with the defendant, sir.
Where's the original copy of this?
This is also missing in transit.
Okay. Then in paragraph 14 of evidence statement on oath, you refer to letter of termination dated March 31, 2021. Take a look at the copy of the letter of employment, termination order.
Termination. Yes, sir. I do recognize this letter of termination.
Where is the original copy?
Also missing in transit.
Okay. In paragraph 16 of your written statement on oath, you refer to service no longer required, issued to one Greg Olia, along with okay, yes, sorry. Very well. Okay, sorry. In paragraph 16, you refer to letter of termination as well as service of no longer required with letter of memorandum of undertaking marked SBG. All three documents. We have letter of termination, service no longer required, and memorandum of undertaking issued to Mr. Gregoria. Where are the original copies of it?
I do not have the original copy, sir. The copy should be in the courts at the moment, sir.
I don't understand. Where is the original copy of this?
No, I don't have the original copies. Missing in transit.
Number 17, in paragraph 17, you also refer, okay, to a letter dated May 20, 2021, appeal against termination. Take a look at it.
Can you go up a little? Take it up a little. Okay. Yes, I recognize this document, sir.
Where is the original copy?
The original copy is also visited in transit.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Now, in paragraph 18, you refer to your solicitor's letter. Have you seen the letter?
I can, yes, sir, I recognize this.
Where is the original copy?
The original copy should be within the court at the moment, I believe. Original copies, because I don't have any here. Yes, sir.
Now, in paragraph 20 of the written statement on oath. Now, you refer to your operational guidelines from CBN. Take a look at it.
Oh, yes.
Where is the original copy?
The original copy of this is also online. It can be downloaded from the CBN portal.
How did you get this document? Can you tell me how you got this document? That's all.
Okay. During the course of my working at Polaris Bank, I had access to print it from my HP printer. I also saved it on my mobile phone just for reference purpose, but it's black and white online there, CBN portal.
Very well. Now, in paragraph 21, okay, you refer to paragraph 21. Okay. You refer to a letter to CBN. Sorry, you refer to a letter you wrote to the defendants dated 8th of August 2023, and their response September 8, 2023. Take a look at those letters.
The first letter is dated when?
8th of August 2023.
Okay. And the response is dated when?
September 18, 2023. Take a look at it.
Okay.
Yes, I recognize this one. This should be with custody of the defendants in the honorable court. Yes.
Okay. Then in paragraph 27, you also refer to copies of letters sent by solicitors to the defendant. There are how many letters, There are 1, 2. There are 1, 2. Let me see. Refer to 2 letters. You refer to, yes, 3 letters in all. Refer to 3 letters. The first one is dated 17th of October 2023.
17th of
October 2023.
Okay. The second one?
10th November 2023. And the last one, 6th February 2024. Letter written on your behalf by solicitor to defendant. Take a look at those letters. This is the first one, dated 17th October 2023.
Yes, October 2023.
This one is dated 10th November 2023.
November 2023, 10th, yes.
Yes. 10th November 2023. Then the last one is 6th February 2023. Take a look at the letter.
Yes, sir.
Where are the original copies of these letters?
Yeah, the original copies of these letters should be in the custody of the defendants and presented in the honorable court.
Okay. Very well. In your further witness statement on oath, you also refer to a letter written by a solicitor to the CBN and the response. That's further witness statement on oath. My lord, we refer to okay. Okay. Paragraph 38 of the further witness statement on oath.
Is that the letter to CBN and the response?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Where is the original copy?
Please, could you repeat that again?
I said, where is the original copy of the letter? And the response by CBN?
Let me see it again, please. That should, yes, this should be also in custody of the defendant and presented before the honorable courts.
Then finally, in paragraph 39. You refer to a letter written by CBN. Yeah, the original copy is here. Take a look at it.
Yes, sir. I acknowledge this, sir.
My lord, that's all the exhibit you intend to tender, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Taking a look at the exhibits.
Defendant counsel, repeat what you said.
My lord, I said I am taking a look at the exhibits now.
Okay, good.
Yes, my lord.
Do you have any objection?
My lord, I would not be objecting. However, the last exhibit, which is the letter from CBN, my lord, we don't have it. It wasn't front-loaded.
My lord, unfortunately, we have right and they're both contingent.
In your further reply, in your reply, sir, please.
Documents.
My lord, that was an omission. No objection.
Pardon?
My lord, that was an omission. No objection to the exhibit, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, we seek to take all the exhibits before the honorable court.
Okay. Okay. So the first letter, trainee certificate,
Very well, my lord. Yes.
is marked as exhibit C1. Then the second letter, the internal memo
Yes, my
of
lord.
January 6, 2009 is marked as exhibit C2. The letter of promotion of June 2012 is exhibit C3. The letter of employment of September 21, 2018 is marked as C4. The letter of promotion again of July 30th, 2020 is marked as C5. The three letters referred to in paragraph 14. One, the letter of termination. Sorry, the letter of termination in paragraph 14 is marked as C6. Then in paragraph 16, you have three letters. You have the letter of termination. You have the service no longer required letter. And you have the memorandum of undertaking. So these three will be marked as exhibit C7. Then in paragraph 17, you have the letter of appeal. It's marked as C8. Solicitor's letter is marked as C9. The operational guidelines from CBN is marked as C10.
Yes.
The letter to the defendant
Yes.
8 August 2023, and the response of September 18, 2023, they are both marked as C11. Letters from the solicitor to the defendant is marked as, there are three of them, 3 letters. One is the 18th of October. Sorry, the 17th of October, 2023. The second is 10th of November, 2023. And the third one is 6th of February, 2024. They are all marked as Exhibit C12. The letter to CBN and the response is marked as C13. And the letter by CBN is marked as C14.
As the copies.
As copies, my lord. Witness.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Where, my lord?
So CW1 has tendered 14 numbered documents. They are admitted and marked as Exhibit C1 to C14. Today,
As the
the
copies, my lord.
15th day of July, 2026. Okay, so go ahead.
As copies. Witness, what do you want the record to do for you?
Thank you very much. I would like the Honorable Court to grant me judgment with regards to my claim from the defendant Polaris Bank, and we'd also inform the Honorable Court of the damages that I have suffered through the unlawful blacklisting of my name, and also lack of giving fair hearing, which has caused emotional and financial negative impact to me and my family.
My lord, that will be all for the witness.
Examination.
As the copies. Very sure. Can I have the further witness statement on it? Yes. Witness, please tell this court your expected job responsibility as at the time you were in the employment of the defendant.
Thank you very much. My job description as an internal auditor with regards to this role was to make sure that I carry out internal checks.
Please take it slowly. My lord is weak.
Okay.
You can go on, please.
You said to make sure I carry out internal checks.
Internal checks on the control systems based on the remote working checklists of an internal auditor.
Thank you. So we like
hold on.
Sorry, ma'am.
Remote working checklist of an internal auditor.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Next question.
As copies. So, witness, will I be correct to say that while you were in the employment of the defendant, you were aware that fraud was carried out in one of the branches, precisely Agodi branch?
Hold on.
Which, as the copies.
So will I be correct to say that
That's
when
what,
you were in employment, you were aware fraud was carried out at which branch?
yes, my lord. Which was not
Which branch?
stated.
The name of the branch you had mentioned. You mentioned the name of the branch.
Agodi branch.
Agodi.
Yes, yes, my lord. Agodi, my lord.
Witness, what's your response to that quickly?
I was not aware that there was a fraud at Agodi branch.
Okay. So will I be correct to say that you filed this action on the grounds that you were not giving fair hearing regarding the monumental fraud committed on your watch?
Point of correction.
Hold on.
Okay.
Will I be correct to say you were, repeat the question again, counsel?
Yes, my lord. Will I be correct to say that you filed this action on the grounds that you were not giving fair hearing regarding the monumental fraud committed on your watch? Is a yes or no question?
Hold on. Will I be correct to say you filed this action on grounds of breach of fair hearing? Is that what you said?
Yes, my lord.
Grounds
that was not giving fair hearing.
Okay. That
yes.
You were not given fair hearing. In spite of what?
Regarding the monumental fraud committed on your watch.
Okay. Witness, you can answer the question now.
Yes, thank you very much. Just point of correction. I worked remotely from Lagos, and it was not on my watch that this fraud happened.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, there was an internal control officer who is...
Hold on. Take it easy, witness.
Yes,
Point of
yes.
correction. I worked remotely from Lagos. And what again did you say?
And I was not...
Yes.
Yeah, I was not responsible for detecting fraud.
Okay. So, will you... Okay. Hello? Can I go?
Yes, go ahead then.
As a purpose. So, will you agree that there was fraud committed in the bank while you were there? You just said that part of your job was not detection of fraud. But you agree with me that fraud was committed.
Registrar, please turn off your mic.
Sorry, my lord.
Will you agree there was fraud committed under your watch?
Yes, my lord.
What's your answer, witness?
My answer is that I was not...
Yes, good question.
Yeah?
Oh. Okay.
Witness, go ahead. You said I was not what?
I was not made aware that there was a fraud at Agodi branch, as I was not the internal control officer, as you claimed to have said it should be under my watch. The answer is no.
Okay. So
hold on.
Purposes.
So I was not made aware of the fraud at the bank. That's what you say, fraud at the branch.
Yes, ma'am.
And I was not the internal, you say you're not the internal auditor?
Internal control officer.
Okay, internal control officer. At the branch, is that what, or in the bank?
In the branch. I was head office
Okay.
staff. I was not the branch staff.
Okay. Next question.
Please, witness, please tell this court the last position you held as an employee of the defendant.
My last position was internal auditor.
Okay. So please, can you tell this court what your supposed and expected responsibility as an internal auditor includes?
Okay. The role of an internal auditor is...
My lord is recording.
Witness, you will give me bullet points, okay? Not long stories. Just give
Okay.
me bullet points, right?
Okay.
Go ahead then.
Okay. Thank you, my lord.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
As the internal audit work was offline or remote, to check and agree with the resident internal control officer.
Hold on.
Okay.
Internal office was...
Internal control officer.
You say your internal office was offline.
Oh,
That what you say?
I said the internal audit assignment was carried out remotely or offline.
Okay. Internal audit.
Yes, ma'am.
Which was your role, right?
Yes, ma'am. Internal audit.
Okay, so your internal audit was carried out offline.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it was checked. It was to check and correct and agree with who?
It was to check that the cash in the branch, Agodi branch, agreed with system figures.
Okay.
Which
So
was
is that your... Which was
validated by the resident internal control of Agodi branch.
Hold on. Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, my lord. So witness, I would read something out to you now, which are your supposed duty. Will I be correct to say that these are part of your supposed duty? Evaluation of internal control.
Hold on. Which document are you reading from?
No, my lord, I'm just asking a question, my lord.
Okay, so I will read something out to you, which is your supposed duty.
Yes,
and you want him to confirm if that is his duties.
Yes,
if
my lord.
those are his duties.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
That would be evaluation of internal control.
You give me bullet points too.
As the copies is, yes, my lord.
One. Okay, so number one is
evaluation
what?
of internal control. Risk assessment and management. Compliance monitoring.
Hold on.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, compliance monitoring. What again?
Financial and operational audits. Fraud detection prevention.
Fraud detection
and prevention, my lord.
and prevention.
IT and system audits. Reporting
Yes.
management findings. Control weaknesses.
Control weaknesses.
Witnesses, my lord. Witnesses.
Spell that weak. Is it W-E-A-K or W-I-T-T?
W-I-T-N-E-S-S-E-S, my lord.
Say that again. The network was breaking.
Oops. Apologies. My lord, control witnesses. W-I-T-N-E-S-S-E-S.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Mm-hmm.
Follow on audit and what you've been able to find.
Repeat that.
Follow up on audits and what you've been able to find. And lastly, corporate governance support. Will I be correct to say that these are your supposed responsibilities as an internal auditor?
Witness, go ahead. Answer the question.
Okay. I do not know where the defendant is getting this information from, the source, and
Just a yes or no question. Are these your supposed responsibilities? Yes.
the answer is no, because we had, I think I should have a reason. We had an internal control process manual. That is the responsibility of an internal auditor.
Okay.
Sorry, you say you had an internal
audit policy and process manual. There are some things that were said.
Internal audit policy and process manual.
Yes.
Internal audit policy and process manual. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So your response to the above question is no.
No.
So next question then.
Yes, ma'am. Please, paragraph 12 and 13 of your written statement or notes. My lord, with the kind permission of my lord, what to read the witness because it's not with it. I wouldn't
Registrar. Registrar.
Yes, my lord.
The witness statement. Oh, do you have it there?
Yeah, my lord.
Okay. Witness, do you have it before you?
I do not have it before me, my lord.
Defense counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Do you want him to read the paragraph out?
Yes, my lord. That is why I'm asking.
And he doesn't.
Audience to read it out because it doesn't.
Okay, you want to read it out to him?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, then go ahead quickly.
Yes, my lord. Paragraph 12 and 13 of your written. In paragraph 12, stated that I know as a fact that the said fraudulent activity was disguised as management transactions and can be traced back to the year 2018. Paragraph 13, that I know as a fact that the fraudulent activity led to various unauthorized withdrawals from numerous bank customers' accounts, direct cash withdrawals from various bank customers' accounts, direct cash withdrawals from various bank branches. Do you have any proof or any evidence in regards to this, your before this honorable court, in regards to this, your paragraph 12 and 13 of your witness statement on it?
Witness, go ahead. Yes, go ahead, yes.
Yes. After the discovery of the fraud, I was invited to head to Agodi branch to see what actually happened.
If there is evidence
Hold on.
as a
Hold
purpose.
on. So you said after the discovery before, you were invited to Agodi to find out what happened. And what happened?
And there were evidences obtained claiming that the withdrawals were based on instruction from management. And this was a conclusive audit submitted to the defendant.
Hold on. And there were evidence obtained claiming that the withdrawal were based on instruction of management. Is that what you said?
Management transaction.
Yes, then go ahead. Management transaction.
Yes.
And the report was.
And the report was submitted.
You said the report?
Yes, ma'am. The report was duly submitted to the Chief Internal Auditor of Polaris Bank.
Okay. So defense counsel, go ahead quickly.
As copies. So witness, from all indication, you were aware there was a fraudulent activity. Which you did not report to the management.
Can I give a response?
Hold on. Yes, go ahead with your response.
Okay. To the best of my memory, I last worked in Agodi branch remotely in December 2020, which is...
Hold on.
My lord, this is just a yes or no question. Witness,
Yeah.
yes or no. You were aware of, from all indications, you had knowledge that there was a fraudulent activity, which you did not report to the management. Yes or no? I am aware, I'm not aware. That is it. You don't have to give further explanation.
I think you are putting words in my mouth.
I am not putting words in your mouth.
Witness, answer the question. Go ahead. Counsel, allow him to clarify the question. Not every answer has a yes or no. There must be a background to some questions. So to the best of my memory, I last worked in Agodi where? When?
December 2020 for 5 days, 4 days remotely.
Okay. Did you listen to the question?
Yes, I did, my lord.
The question is, so from all the indications, you were aware there was a fraudulent action which you did not report to management. Is that correct?
The answer is solid no.
Okay. So you are not in denial. Can I go on, my lord?
Yes, go ahead, yes. So you are not?
Stop it.
Go ahead.
You are not in
Independent
denial that you
counsel.
audited Agodi branch. Did my lord hear my question?
So you are not in denial that you audited Agodi branch. Is that
Yes,
the
my lord.
question?
Yes, my
Witness,
lord.
what's your answer quickly?
Yes, I audited Agodi branch remotely for 4 days in 2020.
Okay. And you just stated that you were not aware of the fraudulent activity during your internal audits.
Yes.
Okay. So you say that you were...
Hold on.
As copies.
You have just said you were not aware Defense counsel, repeat the question.
Yes, my lord. You would say that you were not aware of the fraudulent act during your internal audits, and you were found guilty in the offense and did not carry out your expected functions.
Hold on. And you have just said you were not aware of the fraudulent act during your internal audit, and you were found guilty of the offense, and you did not carry out your expected functions. Is that the question?
Yes, my lord.
Is that the question?
Yes, my
Witness,
lord.
did you hear that? No, witness,
Yes, my lord,
witness. Where is the witness? What's your answer quickly?
I'm here. The answer is no.
Okay. So, am I correct to say that your employment was terminated based on the recommendation of disciplinary committee, of the defendant's disciplinary committee?
What do you have to say? Witness.
I was not given a fair hearing. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was not given a.
So what's your answer to that question?
I was not given a fair hearing because other auditors that were involved were given a much more soft landing compared to me.
Well, I am correct to say that your employment was terminated based on the recommendation of the disciplinary committee. That was my question.
I was not given a fair hearing because other auditors involved were given a soft landing. Yes, back to the question. So is counsel correct to say that your termination was based on the recommendation of the disciplinary committee?
Yes, my lord.
Witness, where are you?
Yes, my lord, I'm here.
Okay, so what's your answer to that?
The answer is yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Next question.
Yes, my lord. Paragraph 20, 21, and 22 of your witness statement on notes. My lord, because of time, I would not want to read it out. I'm very sure my lord will take note of paragraph 20, 21, and 22 of the witness statement on notes.
Okay.
So I would ask the witness now, what are the bases for blacklisting employees in the CBN Black Book?
What are the basis of blacklisting?
What are the basis of blacklisting employees in CBN Black Book?
Witness.
Thank you, my lord. The evidence to back my feedback is already within the court, and I would like to elaborate on it.
Okay.
What do you mean by elaborate? We don't have much time. So
only in the CBN policy states that employees who are involved in fraud, who had gains in fraud, who are taken to court for fraud, should.
Hold on. Employees who are involved. What again?
Who are culpable for fraud.
Culpable, yes.
And taken to charge to court.
What again?
Charge to court.
Yes.
And found guilty are the ones that qualify to be blacklisted.
Okay. With defense counsel, go ahead.
Yes, my lord. My lord, because of time, I would want my lord to take note of Exhibit C11. That's the CBN guideline, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Page 6, especially page 6, that will be clause 3.0, which is the
Clause what?
3.0,
3.0.
which is the objective of the black book,
Okay.
and clause 4.0, which are conditions for blacklisting.
Conditions for blacklisting.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my
It's
lord.
noted.
Yes, my lord. So, witness, will you say that you acted in good faith while carrying out your responsibilities as an internal auditor?
Witness, answer.
I did my job as an internal auditor as professionally as possible as I can, and I actually displayed integrity doing my work.
Okay. And you say that you carried out your responsibilities in relation to what was expected of you.
In relation to...
Hold on. So you carried out your responsibilities in relation to what was expected of you. What's your answer?
And my answer is in relation to the remote audit responsibilities of an auditor as at this time.
Okay. But you were still an internal auditor.
Hold on. In relation to the remote audit responsibilities. Is that what you said?
Yes, ma. Disclosed in the internal audit control policy and control manual for remote working.
Disclosed where?
In the internal audit policy and procedure manual.
Okay. Next question.
But you were still an internal auditor, either being a remote worker or on-site. You were still an internal auditor of the defendants.
So, but you were still an internal auditor, whether as a remote staff or not. Is that the question?
Yes, my lord.
Whether as a remote auditor or not.
Yes, my lord.
Witness, do you get that?
Yes, ma. I get that. That is within the confine of working remotely.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I go on, my lord?
Yes, go ahead. You should be rounding up.
As purposes, my lord, I only have 4 or 5 questions left.
Okay, please. You know we have another matter.
Yes,
we have
my
3
lord.
other trials to conduct online. So go ahead.
So for more indication, witness, so will I be correct to say that the defendant followed the procedure in terminating your employment as a result of your gross misconduct or negligence in the failure to carry out your duties as an internal auditor?
Witness, go ahead, answer.
I carried out my job as an internal auditor with the defendant dutifully and professionally.
Okay. But in your statement of fact and your witness statement or notes, you never mentioned anything regarding to the procedure in terminating your employment.
In your witness statement and further,
in your
you never
statement
did what?
and your statement on hooks, my lord, regarding the procedure in employment, you never mentioned anything in regards to that.
Regarding your termination, is that what you said?
Yes, my lord. The procedures in terminating the claimant's employment.
What do you have to say, witness, quickly?
The procedures are recognized, and I followed this using my lawyer to document and also file my appeal documents. However, I was shocked.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Yes,
you said the procedure are recognized, and what happened?
The procedures are recognized. However,
yes,
the bank
however, go ahead.
However, the defendant changed the status or letters, termination letters of other colleagues without letting us know that this was done. They were discreetly changed, having followed the same process.
Okay.
My lord,
next question.
But to take note of paragraph 14, 17, and 18 of the claimant's further written statement.
Paragraph 14,
17, and 18.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Now I'll ask a follow-up question. Just 2 more questions and that's all.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes. So witness, do you have any evidence before this court that a senior staff of the defendant who had a higher security clearance perpetrated the said fraudulent activity?
A senior officer who had what?
Who had a higher security clearance perpetrated the fraudulent activities. I mean, that is what you stated in paragraph 14 of your witness statement on notes. Yeah, that's paragraph 14 and 18 of your witness.
It was a clear abuse of power by the regional branch coordinator, which
for the courts.
Do we have any evidence? The evidences are with the bank.
Okay. So my last question, my lord.
Hold on. You said it was a clear abuse of power by the regional what?
Regional branch coordinator.
And he said
And the follow-up question is, do you have evidence before the court?
Which he said it is with the bank.
Yes, and that was that was the basis of terminating multiple people's appointments.
Abuse of power. Okay. So my last question, my lord. Will I be correct to say that the defendant found you and 4 others guilty of fraudulent activities owing to your negligence to carry out your employment responsibilities?
So do you agree the defendant found you guilty of negligence?
Yes, my lord. Negligence to carry out your employment responsibilities.
What do you have to say, witness, quickly?
I am not negligent of these accusations.
Okay. But you had knowledge of fraudulent activities while you were in the employment of the defendant.
Can I respond to that?
Hold on. Okay, what's your response quickly?
My response is that after 2021, this fraud was unraveled. I worked remotely and it was discovered by the defendant that it has been happening since 2018. All these are written
Hold on.
in the
After
report.
2021. Hold on. You said after 2021, this fraud was unraveled.
Yes.
Is that what you said?
This fraud was unraveled by an
Mhm.
internal control officer in the bank.
Internal control officer. Okay. Yes. After 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is that your answer? Is that your
Yes, ma'am.
final answer? Quickly.
That's my final answer.
Okay, good. All
My
right.
lord, that is the question for court examination for the claimant. However, my lord, I just want my take note of clause 10.0 of the CBN guideline. That is a C11.
Plus what?
10.0, my lord,
Mm-hmm.
of the CBN guideline. Yes, my lord.
Okay.
And because of our time, I will not want to indulge my
All
time.
right.
Yes, my lord.
I've noted it in the proceeding.
Yes, ma'am.
So re-examination.
My lord, no re-examination, my lord.
Registrar, give us a date quickly for defense.
My lord, we have two other witnesses. We have a subpoena witness and a second witness, my lord. Let me take it as the next week, my lord.
Okay.
There you go, my lord.
All right. Khadija, give us a date quickly for continuation of trial.
The claimant counsel said they have a subpoena witness. We are not in receipt of any subpoena process.
I will ensure they are served, my lord.
Okay, you will ensure they are served. Okay.
Yes,
As the court places.
So you do the needful then.
very well, my lord.
Okay.
My lord.
Yes.
Sort of.
Say that again. The network is breaking. 04 November.
03 November.
Convenient, my lord.
03 November, you said, right?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, 2026.
My lord,
Okay. That's good. So case adjourned to 03 November 2026 for continuation of trial.
As the court places.
My lord, I'm not good for the indulgence.
My lord,
Okay. All right. So all those for Adewale